Today's vlog, calm stretches, galactic crisis or not. Armor clatter counts as ambience.
Downward blaster pose. Patent pending.
Hope Command appreciates balance training.
That's not part of the pose.
Who stacked crates during yoga hour?
Buddy, grab my arm!
Never mind, we're both down. This counts as core training, right?
Wait, did Command just say immediate deployment?
Well, there goes the yoga mat. Guess I'll improvise with half a mat.
Graceful as a ranker in ballet.
Did anyone order falling armor percussion? This is a combat drill now. Balance equals survival, kind of.
That crate lid had it coming.
Pretty sure that wasn't regulation yoga.
Great, a timer, classic.
30 seconds to what exact?
That piece doesn't feel regulation.
Armor assembly speed run, failure edition. Who hoards this many straps? I swear this locker's sabotaged.
15 seconds? That's cheating.
Yoga should not have death timers.
Perfect yoga foam bath included. Smells like industrial soap disaster.
60 seconds again? Fantastic. Yoga never resets the clock like this.
Straps are not regulation fasteners.
Okay, mindful breathing, less slingshot.
Selector flip is done. Good no enough. Straight bolts, please.
Holster hates me today.
Did that just cut the time?
Ride the mat, don't fall.
Objective, reach deployment without drowning in soap.
15 seconds, move.
Muster point or meditation corner, choose.
Hey, detach protocol, please. Fine, you're coming with me. Balance is optional.
Timer says otherwise.
Bulkhead, half shut.
Mind the droid on my foot. Strap broke, of course.
Boot, buddy. You're promoted to gear.
Panel hit, go! Objective, muster or bust. Hold, hang on, rungs are friends.
Boot, buddy. Stop chewing the floor.
Not anchor, why polish?
Okay, turbo yoga just got slipperier.
Sail to muster, go! Strap, off the visor, please. Blaster on stun, I swear.
Who turned out the galaxy?
Doors jamming, hinges full of soap. Objective still muster, we force it.
Why is there a secret purge?
Who booby traps a yoga day?
Boot buddy, hold!
Of course you picked now to nap.
Stun burst, spot treatment for doors.
Timer's still lying to us. Sith? Wellness?
Pretty sure that's not in the handbook.
Muster replaced by yoga class?
Objective still muster. Shut this purge first.
Consul wants perfect poses? Fine, sun salutation, don't judge me.
Calm mode is not calming. HUD, stop lagging during yoga.
Great, now the room's offended.
timer. Why are you speeding up?
It wants 3? I barely count as 1.
Okay, group yoga with equipment. Hold together, boot buddy.
2 more flows before meltdown.
Breath in, 2, 3.
Console, stop judging my lungs.
Sith breath. That's unfair.
Fine, light side inhales only.
Okay, science beat yoga.
Wait, now it wants an instructor?
Behold, certified yoga master.
Slippery certification, though.
Overseer, this is legit yoga.
Hey, don't speed it up.
Yoga includes falling, right?
Countdown says hurry up.
Blocks, come back here. Safe setting, safer ankles.
Good save, boot buddy. Please don't nap forever.
What even is lineage?
Objective, shut purge, reach muster.
8 seconds, do not move.
If I sneeze, we are doomed.
8 seconds. Absolute statue. Not blinking counts, right?
Do not scratch the itch. Mind over collar drip.
That inch did not count.
Console, get a hobby.
2 participants, me and Boot Buddy. Stay quiet, fake heart.
Box breath and blaster. Copy.
Objective holds. Kill purge. Muster.
Selector to stun, contact only.
Yoga, but electrified.
In 4, hold 4.
Fire is not part of flow.
Hold 4. Out 4. Stay, feet.
No sitting now.
4, 4, 4. Stay even.
Console, read the rhythm.
We're a yoga team now.
5 seconds, don't you dare slip.
Inverted during a flood?
Fine. Galactic headstand time.
Hold the line, plates.
Ankle, don't betray me.
Target, shutdown lever, now. No slipping, no sneezing.
Objective, kill purge, reach muster.
Lever, come to Papa.
Purge down, finally.
Muster doors next, before company.
Mantrix dead.
There's gotta be a manual pull.
Found a bypass.
Inspection's right outside, move.
You hold, Boot Buddy.
Harness tight, going down.
Shortcut achieved.
Please lead to the release.
Interlock turning, come on.
We're cracking it. Muster's right there.
Muster now, go, go!
12 on inspection, move it.
It's the backwards plate. Hold the line, 2 seconds.
Alignment good, read me compliant. Strap's gone, keep flowing.
Boot buddy, hold on.
Credits logged. File the report.
We're limber and lethal.
Dawn drill? That's a trap.
Boot buddy, you didn't.
Cancel transmission. Cancel now.